Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 24th of April. And first of all, national news. Rain, strong winds in parts of Delhi brought relief from sweltering heat. Delhi recorded a minimum temperature of 22.6 degrees Celsius. Heat wave in four states going to polls on Friday. Experts fear drop in turnout. India successfully tested air launch medium range ballistic missile. Public sector banks can't issue lookout notices against defaulters, High Court. RBI imposed restrictions on Maharashtra based Konark Urban Cooperative Bank. International news. Top UN officials called on UK to reconsider plan to transfer asylum seekers to Rwanda. Pakistan hopes to get new IMF loan by early July, Finance Minister. Qatar Emir in Nepal on 2-day visit. China issued highest level rainstorm warning after deadly floods. US troops targeted at base in western Iraq, second attack since February 4. UK pledged $620 million in new military aid for Ukraine. Now some sports news. Chess legend Gary Kasparov, Indian earthquake in Toronto post for Yogesh D broke the internet. Winning world championship in Olympic category was Hughes boxer Lavlina Borgohain. Saurabh Ganguly wanted Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli to open at 2020 World Cup. Now, news related to business. Extreme weather conditions may pose a risk to inflation, RBI bulletin said. NSE set to launch derivative contracts on Nifty next 50. Crude oil prices stabilize as West Asian tensions remains in focus. IRDAI abolished age restrictions on health insurance product. And now news related to science. A new AI based model can predict irregular heartbeat about 30 minutes before its onset. Air pollution can add to the risk and severity of sleep apnea, study found. And that's all in news. Thank you.